I am in this concept of, yes, cooking is one more thing to do, but I am blessed with the opportunity to have access to farmers and ranchers that I know personally, beautiful produce, beautiful food, and I surrender to the flow of that being an enjoyable process, not a I have to. And I think, we talked about this a lot this weekend as well, about this concept of, where we need to pivot when we're finding barriers. And sometimes we have to just work our internal relationship or our internal self-talk or our experience with our life of finding peace with the present and or surrendering to the flow. So that is not this like, oh, now I have to cook dinner. It's like, I get to make this beautiful, nourishing family meal. And this is something that I feel really empowered by. And so even just reframing, it doesn't maybe have to be super poly positive, but just reframing from the I have to, I should to I'm able to is a really different perspective, and it holds less weight, less agony, less angst, and it can actually shift into an enjoyable process, especially if you play good music in the kitchen. I'm always moving in the kitchen, and I love involving my daughter Stella in the process.